So we're pretty much just throwing the pots out today. Gonna go for a bit of an explore up the creek, but it's pretty fucking fresh. So we're gonna catch nothing but catfish. Brownie's gonna catch nothing because you never catch shit. Boy, don't do that, mate. Yeah, have a bit of an explore and actually see what it's like during the day. What?
You might want to get that bucket landing there now. Oh, fuck. Shit.
I don't know where the fuck it was. We did say we were going for an explore.
Yeah, not something. Oh no, what's coming here?
Lots of mangroves.
Okay.
Oh, in the face. Probably not. Oh, actually, no, I think we'll get through.
No, the next one.
Oh, no, hell no, I'm not getting through the next one. We'll get past this one.
I think I'm on top of the pot. Pot up here?
Yeah, we'll throw a pot up here, why not? Soon I'm over in there, do you? Yeah, copy.
Where that branch comes out a little bit, you see?
Yeah,
See a bit of a hollow in there. Don't throw it in the hollow, so
just out of it.
That's a fucking big old bronze buck right there, mate. Definitely no jennies.
You fucking wish. You know it's impossible to get good sized bronze bucks now?
Huh?
Yeah. It's almost as if you're a man that eats jennies.
Sorry?
It's almost as if you're a man that eats jennies.
Never had a jenny in my life, don't know what the fuck they taste like. Fuck, I should. Unless they're trying to keep a secret from us and they actually taste way better.
Are you admitting they taste better?
No, I'm saying the government is fucking keeping it from us. That's what I'm saying. Just like they're keeping all the fucking tax money from the beer I buy. Plus I pay tax already, so what the fuck? It's like a double whammy of tax.
5 more pots to go, just got to find the spots, Brownie.
That one's good.
That one's good to go. Yep. Actually going to fit a few portions in there. Fill the rest. For the other ones you got.
I say we had 5 pots like fucking 4 pots ago.
My maths doesn't comprehend that, mate.
I don't know what I'm fucking talking about. Wait, you gotta keep track of my beers, man. Huh? You gotta keep track of my beers, man.
What beers are drunk them all?
Talking about beers, you wanna grab them?
Alright, let's get this done first and then you can have your beer. It's like the reward. Oh, is that a bit of a honey hole in there?
Yeah, I can drop a pot outside it.
Yeah, it's just a bit of a flat. It's just got like not much water in it, but
Yeah, it looks like it comes over though.
yeah, it definitely flows in down in here at some point. He's onto it. I don't even have to do any work.
It's only work at work.
Yeah. Yeah, what the fuck? What's that? Yeah. There's no bait in it. Pig trap. Well, that's my best guess anyway.
Sorry folks, you just lost the past half hour.
Me cutting open the chicken.
Because Liam handed the phone and said it's recording, here you go. And then I just went with what he said.
Hey, I never said it was recording.
But I don't know, he's high off diesel fumes and chicken fumes and
An ego.
Alright now man. Wait, next time you want to throw it further than the actual boat side.
Yeah, that's not making their way down. Last pot.
Last pot?
Last pot.
Last pot.
Oi, 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 oi. Oi, 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 oi. Hey. Hey. I'm walking in.
I like this. I like it a lot. Right there, Liam. Yep,
Right fucking there.
Right fucking there, yeah.
Right fucking there. Right now.
Actually, yeah, now.
You take it.
You said I could have another beer.
After you caught a fish. it's a good size too.
Fucking nearly went arse over.
I think it's a catfish.
You reckon?
Yeah, I reckon it's a catfish.
Don't let it get tangled up in this fucking anchor rope. Go this side of the boat. At least you have a nice little fight. Fucking big stinking catfish, he's not going in the net.
What did I tell ya? So it's day 2 now, currently 5:30 in the morning, and we usually like to leave the pots out for about 24 hours, but because we've thrown them out in a creek system, or river system, that's pretty popular for fishing, we're a bit afraid that somebody's going to come along and actually pick up our pots, and we haven't really hidden them. So we're getting out there nice and early, and fingers crossed, we get a nice fat buck. No. It's a pretty shit sign, to be honest.
I don't know if I would have rather nothing or...
Oh, big bronze buck, mate. Big fucker.
I said Dad yesterday, I said, yeah, no, I think it's a big bronze buck tonight. He's like, no you won't. I was like, oh.
Hold up. Dude, go over there.
I don't know, rabbit.
What the hell? See him get taken by a bull shark next minute.
I thought it was a fucking hat.
I thought it was a duck. I was like, why is that duck's head underwater for so long?
I just don't want to scare him. Because then it's when he fucking panic and probably die.
He's making his way to shore.
Oh, it's a kangaroo. Wallaby.
Oh, what? It's a kangaroo? What?
It's a wallaby.
Oh, what the fuck?
What the fuck's he down?
Well, at least we know how deep it is there.
Not deep enough, I'll look at that.
Oh, there he goes.
on there.
So we're right in using fucking kangaroo for bait.
Fucking show that. Maybe you go off that mangroves there.
Yeah.
I wonder why he swam all the way out here.
Yeah, there he goes. The grass is always better on the other side of the river.
Today,
Yeah, let's go get these pots, eh? Let's go get stuck in there now that we know how deep it is. Boy, that's a big Jenny.
Big Jenny?
Yeah, that is a fucking... Actually, yeah. That is a monster Jenny. Holy shit.
Buck crash that is.
Look at the size of this thing. That's good size. Shame we can't fucking keep it. See, we don't eat jennies. Oh, you little bugger. Get out of there. Oh, you got it.
Hey, alright.
Ah.
No little Jenny.
Yep.
There's only one buck then.
Yeah. Damn. Oh, that's only the second pot. Big ass Jenny. Probably killed all the bucks around here.
Yeah, fucking buck crash. You won't breed anymore, but you killed all the fucking bugs. That's alright, you know what you're doing. Fucking Sunshine Coast Council, don't you? Fucking Queensland Government, fisheries. You know exactly what happens.
Okay. Yeah, I got it.
There we go, big boy.
Yeah, another good sized one. That looks like a Jenny though.
Yep, another Jenny.
Another Jenny. Ah, chicken and bike. Another good sized Jenny. It's not a good sized buck though. What's that little fucker? Look at the size of him.
Fuck big, watch out.
He's a fucking ninja.
Fucking right, bird. What the fuck? Heavy?
Yeah, none. Nothing. Not a fucking thing.
Now you see, I got this amazing ability where I can see someone else's pot right here, but I won't pick it up.
Dang. It's called self-control. And don't be a cunt. Not even touched.
Not touched.
Not even touched. 2 pots left. It's not looking good.
Fucking half a chook, not even touched.
Oh no, we've got one little one in there.
Where is
He's right there, he's tiny. Fucking minuscule.
Nothing?
Not a thing.